Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to grow on Medium. To grow on Medium, you need to consistently create valuable content, engage with your readers, and optimize your presence on the platform. So here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to grow on Medium. First, you need to create high quality, valuable content. Focus on quality. So write well-researched, insightful, and engaging articles. Your content should offer value to readers, solve problems, or provide a fresh perspective. Also, consistency is key, so you need to publish regularly. Aim for at least one article a week to stay active and keep your readers engaged. Then, target niche topics. While general topics can attract a broad audience, focusing on specific niches or industries can help you establish authority and attract a dedicated audience. So, choose a niche you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. Next, you need to optimize your titles and subtitles. Craft catchy titles. Your title is the first thing readers see, so make sure it grabs their attention. It should clearly reflect the value of the article and entice readers to click. Now, use numbers, a list, or bold claims to create curiosity. You can also use subheadings effectively. In your post, use subheadings to break the content into digestible sections. This helps with readability and searchability. Then you also have to write engaging and shareable content. Make it easy to read, please. So break your content into short paragraphs and use lists, bullet points, and images to improve readability. Tell stories. People connect with stories, so try to weave personal anecdotes, experiences, or case studies into your posts. Also include call to actions, which are CTAs. Encourage readers to engage with your content by asking questions, leaving comments, or following you. You can also ask them to share the article with others. Visuals are very important, so include relevant images, infographics, or videos to support your content. Posts with visuals generally have better engagement rates. You can also leverage Medium's distribution features. Use tags. Medium allows you to add tags to your post, so use relevant tags to increase visibility. You can add up to 5 tags, so choose keywords related to your content and audience. Publish to publications. Now, many Medium publications have large loyal audiences. Submit your post to relevant publications for exposure. Publications often curate content that fits their niche, so getting featured there can significantly increase your visibility. Also, engage in series. Medium offers a feature called series where you can publish a set of articles as part of a collection. This encourages readers to follow along with your content over time. Optimize your profile. Ensure that your Medium profile is complete with a clear bio, profile picture, and links to your social media or website. An optimized profile helps establish credibility and trust with your audience. Interact with and follow other writers in your niche. Engage with their posts through comments, shares, and feedback. Networking can help you build relationships and expand your audience. Collaborations or guest posts are great ways to also expand your reach. So work with other writers or publications to co-author, post, or promote each other's content. Respond to comments, encourage feedback, and follow your followers. This way, you build relationships with those who follow you. Promote your content on other social media platforms, other platforms like social media, email newsletter, and cross promotions. Optimize for SEO. So use keywords and write evergreen content. These ones will help you with the SEO optimization. Monetize your Medium content. So join the Medium Partner Program to start earning money. Track your progress, check your stats regularly. Medium provides analytics that shows how many views, reads, and recommendations your articles are getting. So use this data to understand what content resonates with your audience and adjust your approach accordingly. So growing on Medium takes time, effort, and consistency. Focus on creating valuable, high-quality content, engaging with your audience, and leveraging Medium's features to maximize your exposure. By following these steps in building your personal brand, you can grow a strong presence on Medium. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.